Hi, and welcome to my page on InTask Standard number 4, Multiple Instruction Strategies. Um, in this standard, the teacher understands and uses a variety of instructional strategies to encourage student development of critical thinking, problem solving, and performance skills. The lesson that you see below hits all of these points. It's my staff station lesson with my 5th grade. And what happens is they're learning the staff, but there's 6 different stations that the students can use in order to learn this staff. They're using kinesthetic learning, they're doing critical thinking, they are we're honoring their worlds by they're using a website where they can play games on the computer. They play bingo with chips and a little staff. They use bean bags and create their own words on our staff carpet. There is a portion where they can problem solve and critically think when they're using a worksheet that I made up where you unscramble the word and then you put that word onto the staff. So they're critically thinking. There's a concentration concentration station where they take the staff. There's a staff on 2 different cards. It's kind of like a memory game. And there is the letter note on one of the cards, and then it's actually written out on the staff. And then they have to match it up and find it. Then another one of the stations is the instrument station, where they're actually physically playing the notes that are on the staff with different songs. There are 3 different levels, 1, 2, and 3, and then for some students there is a level 4 with bass clef. But for the majority, most of our students are still learning the treble clef. This hits all different points. For 4.1, the multiple teaching ways are all the different stations. For 4.2, the students assume responsibility. I'm not necessarily instructing them on what they need to do. They are using personalization for most of these stations, whether it's coming up with the different words with their members in their group, or playing bingo with them, matching game. And then 4.3 for assuming different roles in instruction, I'm kind of their audience. I'm just watching. It's accommodated to all the learners' needs, because we have kinesthetic learning, we have critical thinking, there's visual, there's oral, all these different learning types to fit our specific students, all of our students' needs. And the students are working together in these stations. So it's actually a really great way to incorporate Standard 4 of the InTask standards.